Organizations need effective controls to thrive, and yet they are often seen as administrative, regulatory, and compliance-driven. Today's control model is often a reactive reporting function, rather than a proactive value driver. It has no single view, no early warnings, and limited automation. Picture your control environment. If one of your controls broke down tomorrow, when would you find out? Would you be able to predict it in advance and put remediation in today? Or would you find out when the crisis hits? With our environment changing faster than ever before, with technological advancements and regulatory change, how will your controls keep up? We believe a better controlled business will be a higher performing business. Controls of the future will be consolidated, automated, aligned, dynamic, and predictive. The use of cognitive technologies, including machine learning and natural language processing, along with robotics, will be the new norm. Experts with business and technology skills will become the new control superstars. New skills such as data mining, cloud robotics, and data architecture will be common, and the makeup of traditional assurance lines will be changed. Radical change needs to begin now. Start by asking yourself key questions. Let us help you explore the answers. Are today's controls fit for the future? Welcome to the future of controls.